Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of money and dice rolls in Monopoly Go, no jailbreak or computer needed. So let me just show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just go over to the shop here, and you guys will see, this is so sad, but I'm going to make everything better for you guys. So as you can see, guys, my money is going up like crazy, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So just keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just give it a minute for these to go ahead and max out here, as you guys can see. So this is super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this site, unlimitedrolls.com. So let me just type it in right here. It's unlimitedrolls.com. So once you're on this site, guys, what you want to do is just go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account. Now, guys, I do not give a crap. You can go for the lowest amount if you want, but I am going to go for the highest amount. So anyways, guys, once you do that, we're just going to go ahead and select our username and enter our platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right. So then we're going to go ahead and press proceed. And now we're just going to go ahead and press generate and just wait for this to load. So if you got a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take long. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here, as you guys can see. All right, so anyways, guys, once it is done, we are good to go. But we do have to do a verification, so press verify. And all we got to do is download some apps, complete instructions. They're completely for free, and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, guys, there's a huge list of apps, and we're just going to go ahead and download some of these. And then so for me, I'm going to do TikTok, so it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So let's just give it a second. All right, so I'm just going to let it load. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see what happens. And Monopoly Go. So now I'm going to run TikTok. This one's an app. I just had to run it and just do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever. Nothing too insane. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right. So yeah, it's pretty simple, Not really very hard. So I'm just going to run this right here, as you guys can see. All right. Super easy, bro. Alright, so we are pretty much done, so let's go ahead and see what happens. Are we rich or are we not? So I'm going to open up Monopoly Go and learn the truth. And nothing. Oh my gosh, they're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away. It actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But this is super insane, guys. And if you have any problems, guys, be sure to drop it down below in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you guys, help you fix your issues. See you later. Peace out.